cried, but somehow it feels like spring. A quiet afternoon in Hachimancho. Simple food that gently warms the soul. Today, I'm in Hachimancho, looking for the first sign of spring. Just a short walk from Morioka Hachimangu Shrine, you'll find a small restaurant called Hiyori. This area is Hachimancho in Morioka City, about 10 minutes by car from Morioka Station. Morioka Hachimangu Shrine is right nearby. Morioka Hachimangu has long been known as the main guardian shrine of the city. It's believed to watch over everyday life, agriculture, business, learning. A shrine that has quietly supported the lives of local people for generations. There are several popular restaurants nearby. But today I choose Hiyori, a place where you can sit down and relax. Little cat decorations around the room make the space feel even more comforting. Lunch here is a daily set meal, around 1,000 yen. Simple, honest, and comforting. Today's meal is a mix of fried chicken, tender cutlet, a creamy croquette, and stir-fried pork with wood ear mushrooms and eggs. The coating is golden and crisp. The soft yellow of the eggs feels gentle. Steam does it quietly from the miso soup. The chicken tender cutlet is moist inside, with a delicate flavor that slowly spreads. The cream croquette is rich, yet the finish is surprisingly light. Cream croquette are simply wonderful. The pork and wheat ear mushroom egg stir fry is fluffy and tender. The crunchy texture of the mushrooms makes every bite enjoyable, and the rice disappears quickly. I just made eye contact with a tiny cat figurine. If you crave in gentle, home-style cooking, or simply want a quiet meal, this might be the perfect place. Last order is at 2:30 p.m. So it's also great for a late lunch. The scarf is high, and the season moves forward quietly. Thank you for the meal. When your stomach is full, you somehow find the courage to keep walking the road ahead. Until we meet again, somewhere along the journey.